Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. I am back to do my hair. So I wanted a quick weave, but I didn't really want to do it on my head, so I made a removable quick weave. So the hair that I use is this Yaki Straight Hair from Klaiyi Hair. I have 24 inches of Yaki Straight, and this is 2.5, almost 3 bundles. I almost used all of the hair. I glued all the hair to a cap. And then I just added some combs. This time I added combs because sometimes the clip kind of irritates my hair. So I wanted to see how the combs wear. So I'm going to first kind of carve out how I want my leave out to look. So y'all know I like a good amount of leave out because I just want my parts to look as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna kind of like pre-section off my hair. Okay, just to give myself like a guide. Alright, this is what I'm gonna go with. I'm just gonna get this hair out the way. So I'm just gonna kind of like braid my hair down just so it's out the way a little more. Not the best braider in the world, but we're gonna get it done. So I'm gonna rubber band the ends, and then I'm gonna put the wig cap on. I have this wig cap. I might just put this on too for a little extra protection. The fit is perfect. So I'm gonna first stick the comb in right there, and then stick this comb in right there. Like it already, it feels good already. And then I'm gonna do my little comb on the side. I definitely didn't put the combs evenly, but I can go back and fix that. This is 24 inches on me. It goes to my waist. I think I'm gonna cut the ends though, so we can have a nice blunt end to them. But first, let's blend our leave out. My hair is already straight, so I don't think it's gonna take much to blend my leave out. Of course not. We're gonna do a good old bust down middle part. We love her. We love a good old middle part situation. And you guys know I'm still growing out my bang. So this is what the leave out is looking like. As you can see, the hair blends right in. I don't even have to add any heat to my hair. It just blends right in. Look at that. Gorgeous. The blend is undetectable. Y'all see, I didn't even have to put any more heat to my leave out. Quick like that. Look at that. Compared to this side, that needs to be straightened a little bit. Love that. So much body. Please. Okay, so I am about to trim the ends just so they can look healthy. So we're gonna cut off a couple inches, like so. See how that just looks better? Look how much better that looks. That looks so good. I also need some layers down the front because we don't want any problems. Just a natural layer. I'm not even trying to do a whole lot. But we just need some layers. The hair has so much movement and so much body. I feel like I need to throw some curls in it. I don't want anything like super tight, but I do want a little curl. Just a little something, something. Okay, it's hot enough. So I'm just gonna throw a few curls in this hair so you guys can see how the hair curls. Okay, these are the curls, not too crazy, not too tight. I curled both sides very loosely, and we're just gonna like finger comb the curls out because I don't want them to like clump together. I want them to kind of be like piecey, like separate, if that makes any sense. Kind of like beach waves or something. There, like these. And the ends look so good curled. I kind of kept the ends straight, so like that beach wave, and then how like the ends are like straight. So yeah, this is the look. It's the hair, Klaiyi hair, Yaki Straight in 24 inches, but y'all know I cut the end a little bit. So yeah. Oh, this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be sure to list all of Klaiyi hair's information in the description box for you guys, as well as the specs to the hair that I have and all that good stuff that you need. So yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye.